Hey, yo, what's up guys? This is Bibu Chicken Roast representing TLPC, and now today I'm with the same CC tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you a new CC. So let's get started. Okay, first you need to do a CC. So if you don't know, then go to my previous videos, old videos. So learn CC and come back with this video. So with the same CC position. So we do the 2cc first, basic cc, 2cc. After that, when you want to change it, we drop a knee. So when you want to do, so drop and we do the cc. So kick, okay, kick, change, kick, change, kick. So if you feel a pain with your knee, so you can use a knee band or some bandage, so you can train it with that. So again, 2cc and knee cc. So 1, 2, knee cc, knee cc. 1, 2, knee cc, knee cc. Okay guys, this is my cc tutorial, knee cc. So hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, please thumbs up. If you have some question, so please comment below. If you want to share my videos to your friends, so please share it guys. And if you want to give me some feedback about these videos, please comment. Don't be hesitant. Okay, thank you. Peace. You were Chicken Roast.